In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a random quote generator in Notion. Start by opening Notion in your browser and going to the page where you want the random quote generator to appear. This can be a personal dashboard, a home page, or any workspace page where you'd like to display quotes. Once you're on the right page, copy the link provided in the description. This link is important because it's the source Notion will use for the embedded quote generator. Make sure you copy the full link so it works correctly when pasted into Notion. Now go back to your Notion page, click into an empty line, and type /embed. The embed block lets you place content from another website directly inside your Notion page, which is exactly what we need here. When the menu appears, click Embed. You should now see a field where Notion asks for a URL. Paste the link you copied into that field. Double check that the entire link is there and that you didn't accidentally paste extra spaces, since that can prevent the embed from loading properly. After that, click Embed Link. Notion will insert the embedded widget into your page, and you should see your random quote generator appear on screen. At this point, the generator should be ready to use. If it doesn't load right away, give it a moment to refresh, or try removing the block and embedding the link again. In some cases, embedded content can also look slightly different depending on your browser or Notion version. And that's how you build a random quote generator in Notion. Thanks for watching.